Mother, wife, sister, aunt, friend, woman, an integral pillar in the structure of society. Though they continue to struggle for equal regard and rights in all professions and areas of life, women are determined more than ever to change the cultures of male-dominated societies and imprint their proficiency across sectors.
I am Ambassador Eleanor Felix, and I'm Chief of State Protocol in the Office of the Prime Minister.
Diana Grand Corporal, Police Officer, Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Yeah, I'm going to leave Vandenberg, and I'm the new ambassador of Belgium in Jamaica.
Women for a long time, maybe forever, for the whole of history, we were considered to be the weaker sex. We're not able to contribute as much.
With the world's adoption of International Women's Day in 1910, greater emphasis has been placed on empowering women to boldly take on the challenge to enter male-dominated professions.
So what we do particularly when we look at the day is to look at the achievements of women, how far we've been and how far from whence we've come. Not only that, but how far we need to go.
Here in Jamaica, there have been significant social, political, and legislative initiatives that have set the pace for the desired goal of gender equality rooted in the empowerment of women and girls.
And with that has come a new movement. While not forsaking their role in the home, women have chosen to take on unorthodox professions, branching out into fields once dominated by men. Women can now be found in every profession. In many instances, they're the ones leading the charge in changing the face of the corporate world.
I'm Rita Humphreys-Lewin. I'm chairman of Berita Investments Limited.
Mary Witt McKenzie, acting CEO for Central Information Technology Office, called CITO.
I'm Dr. Scott, director of the National Blood Transfusion Service.
And this empowerment is a global phenomenon.
I think that's quite high level in Belgium, and that's not new. It's in several times. We always had, not always, but as long as I remember, women ministers, women CEO, women professor at university, women doctors, female doctors. I think it's quite active in my country. It has been a long way to get there, but they got it, and I think somebody who's really convinced to get somewhere, they get it.
And there is the fact that women are reaching the pinnacles in academia. We have, at this time, upwards of 70% of graduates from universities being female.
Lioness is on the rise, don't you ever have doubt.
It is my view that we are on our way as women to being recognized and accepted as being full partners in the world of work.
This determination to excel continues to be fueled by greater educational access. Case in point, the evolving information communication technology sector, which is creating dynamic opportunities for women.
It gives us another avenue as a career. We can be engineers, we can be programmers, we can be web designers, we can be anything that we want to be on using ICT. And therefore, it is something to enable us to be better women, to be better girls, expanding our horizons for careers and expanding our horizons for economic growth.
But is this empowerment of women really changing the lingering gender biases and discrimination?
We have more women in Parliament than ever before. We have women who are across the nation who are willing to step out and be political, if you will.
I think we achieved already a lot in Belgium, also in your country, I think. You have a prime minister lady. Belgium never got that.
Let's look at the Jamaica Constabulary Force, for example. Now, of course, Assistant Commissioner and Deputy Commissioner Javine Ben, Assistant Commissioner Novelette Grant. Two of our outstanding women are right there at the top, leading the pack for all the women to see.
And you also hear from the men of power that women are taking charge. Sometimes you wonder if people are becoming fearful of a takeover by women.
I am woman, hear me roar, in numbers too big to ignore.
With significant progress being made by women, there is still a long way to go to achieve true equality.
And don't watch the fact that I am Prime Minister. I barely crack that glass ceiling. Much more work to do, but I ensure that I'm taking along in the political process other women as well, including young women.
Do we really have equal pay for women? I think not.
The way they judge us, it shouldn't be based on male criteria. I think they should use maybe different criteria.
We've done some good work in creating families, and it is a recognition of that that is forcing the recognition of women in the workplace.
The majority of our Jamaican women and girls must be truly empowered so that they can enjoy the best of what Jamaica can offer. We can best achieve the changes necessary when all of us, the entire society, are committed to the full understanding of the plight of the disadvantaged and marginalized majority.
I truly believe that even within my own lifetime, we will be considered to be more equal than has been the tradition.
Be it inspired or empowered, there is no turning back for our women, pushing forward, pressing ahead with a mission to have a place in the workforce, a voice in decision-making, and equal opportunities on the ladder of success.
I don't wanna be no guy, just wanna be